Want to watch every single live sporting event, pay-per-view, and major game on your Amazon Fire Stick for completely free? Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to set up 2 incredible free apps to stream all the action in real time. Grab your remote and let us dive straight into the steps. First, head over to the magnifying glass on your home screen. Search for the orange app called Downloader. Click on the app and select Download to install it on your device. Do not open it just yet because we need to adjust some critical settings first. Press the home button on your remote, navigate to the top left corner and open Settings. Scroll down and click on My Fire TV or My Device. If you do not see developer options listed, highlight About and click the center button on your remote several times. A message will pop up saying you are now a developer. Now, press the back button and open developer options. Click on ADB debugging to turn it on. Next, go to Install Unknown Apps and click on Downloader to change its status to On. This simple step allows us to install third-party applications. Go back to your home screen and open Downloader. Move the red cursor into the white search box so it highlights yellow. Click the center button and type in the official website address for the Unlink app. Click Next, scroll down on the page, and click the Download APK Android button. Once downloaded, click Install, then select Done, and delete the unnecessary installation file to save space. We need to enable permissions for this new app too. Head back to Settings, go to My Fire TV, and open Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps and click on Unlink to turn it on. Go back to your home screen, scroll to the very end of your apps list and open Unlink. Click on Add a New Library. Enter my personal App Store code to access the Fire Vault, which contains over 50 amazing entertainment apps. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes so you never miss any future store updates. Once inside the Fire Vault, scroll down to the Sports category. Click on AK47 Sports, select Download, and then click Install App. Do the exact same process for PlayFight TV. These 2 apps are perfect alternatives to each other and will cover all your live sports needs. To make these apps easy to access, go to your apps list and hover over each new app. Hold down the center button on your remote and select Move to Front. Now they will appear right on your home screen every time you turn on your TV. Before you launch these sports apps, you must secure your connection. Third-party apps can face restrictions, censorship, or buffering from your internet provider. We highly recommend using NordVPN to run any apps smoothly on your device. It keeps your data completely safe, secure, and anonymous. You can find the NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. Open your VPN app, sign up or log in, and click the green Connect button. Once your country highlights green, you are fully protected. Now you are completely ready to stream any live event in real time without interruptions. If this video helped you out, please drop a like to help us reach more viewers worldwide. If you run into any issues, leave a detailed comment below with your device model and I will get back to you. Share this video with your fellow sports fans, subscribe to TechVibes, and I will catch you in the next video.